So here we have with us the UAE Goans who are organizing this Ramadan football tournament for all the Goans. I mean, how is the tournament being evolved so far?
Savio? Basically, this is a kind of a 41-year-old legacy. This tournament has been happening on this specific ground for the past 41 years, and it's an all-Goa tournament where we take pride in organizing this tournament because it gets all our Goan brethren and sisters together out here to enjoy this event.
What are the preparations that goes behind the scenes? I'm sure there's a lot of efforts that are taken to organize such a massive 1-month Ramadan tournament, and this has been happening all over the years. Would you all put up across some of the preparations that goes behind the scenes?
Well, this thing we prepare, like the whole year. The preparation goes on for the whole year. We start thinking about it. Like, for example, if we finish this tournament in June, then the next month we start all the preparations, like what we are going to do for the next year and how the tournament is going to be organized, in what way, what are the negative things we found out in this tournament, so we can we can work on it, and we can start preparing in a much better way. So, as of now, this year it's been really good. We can see the tournament is going really good with all the teams coming on time and stuff. So we're kind of very happy. The ground is good. The ground is booked on time, and we don't have any problems at Sora. As of now, yeah, this is all we can say all about the tournament.
Yeah. What are the preparations?
Anything you want to add?
Well, the teams. The crucial part is the teams. All the teams, the team managers, they go out of the way, getting their boys, getting the act together, flying in boys from various parts of the world. Basically, they have to be Goans. They have to be on a residence visa out here to participate in the tournament. Two very crucial factors. So there's a lot of readiness being organized out there by the team managers, efforts being made to get these boys into their careers out in Dubai or Abu Dhabi, wherever Alain and UAE basically.
Yeah, from this tournament, I'm sure there are a lot of buzz being created all around UAE and plus across Goa and across the world as well. Is there any special achievement, like players from international who have represented Goa or India and have come and played for this tournament? Do we have any players doing so?
Yes, we have a couple of elite players who are participating out here. One being Orlando Vegas, and the other young man is Frankie Barreto, who's been ex-India captain also.
The organizing of this tournament, it's not only about booking the ground, there's a lot of finance involved also in it. And when the team managers put up the team, I'm sure the only motto is passion. Would you all like to share some light on it? What is the intent? Why would you want to put up a team basically for this tournament or across the 20 tournaments that happened all across the year?
It's just about passion. We love football. We love all the Goans to come together and socialize and play, and that's what we're looking out for. One of the major reasons is that's one of the reasons we do this football tournaments very often. We have 20 tournaments in a yearly basis. We like organizing tournaments. We want people to come together and be together. One of the factors there are a lot of bachelors who are living in Dubai who come all the way, on a Friday, especially if a tournament is on Friday. They come, they enjoy themselves, they hang around with their friends, they socialize. They love to talk. They love being with their friends, colleagues. So I would say that those are the reasons. Organizing these kind of tournaments, and it makes them happy.
Gilroy, you'd like to add something to this about the team managers putting in their efforts and teams and for the entire year, not only for this tournament?
Oh, team managers, we got to praise them because their efforts, without their efforts, this tournament or any other tournaments in UAE for the Goans would not be a success, or they would not even be existing. They go out of their way to ensure when a boy comes, one of our Goan brothers comes from back home or other Gulf countries, they are given a fine career.
Yeah, so I wish UAE Goans all the very best for the tournament that is being held in this year 2019, and may this tournament grow more and more bigger, and we have a more wider coverage all across the globe from Dubai to the rest of the part of the world. Yeah, thank you very much guys, and wish all the very best.
Mon ami, si tu as le niveau, rejoins-nous pour t'enjailler.